Hello po! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa The Stock Market Today. Ngayon po ay January 12, 2023, Miyerkules. Mabuhay po kayo. Ang ating balita ay tungkol po sa MWIDE. Ako po si Benji Chodoro, isang retired bank officer. Nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stocks sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gusto ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market o tungkol sa wealth management, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Get well soon, Mari. We're praying for your recovery. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, January 12, 2023, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, let's go to our financial headlines. BDO Securities po tayo. World Bank cuts Philippine growth outlook to 5.4%. So slow to 5.4% from an estimated 7.2% last year. FDI, ito po yung foreign direct investment. Net inflows soar to 6-month high in October. MWIDE plans a 1.5 billion preferred share offering. Yan po ang ating main news. Vehicle sales up 33.8% year-on-year in December. And BSP Malls 3% cap on credit card rate. So, ipepeg niya sa maximum of 3%, ano? In maximum interest rate. Monthly. So, monthly, 3 times 12, 36% a year. So, mataas na yun, ano? Against the 2% per month of 24% per year. Okay, dito po tayo sa ating main news. Actually, nandito po yan sa business world yung MWIDE to raise 1.5 billion via preferred share offering. But I'll be reading the summary from BDO Securities. Ito po, MWIDE plans 1.5 billion preferred share offering. MWIDE filed the preliminary prospectus with the SEC for its 1.5 billion Series 5 preferred shares offering involving a total of 15 million shares at a subscription price of 100 apiece. Proceeds from the offer will be used to redeem outstanding Series 2A perpetual preferred shares issued in 2020, which are due for a step-up in May. Recall that proceeds from the Series A preferred shares were utilized to finance various PPP projects such as the MCIA, PITX, Public School Infrastructure Project Phase 2, and Clark International Airport. The indicative offer period for the shares is on March 13 to March 21, 2023, while the indicated listing date on the PSE main board is scheduled on March 31. So sabi po ng commentary, the Series 2A currently pays a rate of 4.75% with a step-up provision of the higher between the floor rate of 8% and B, 4% plus average 5-year BVAL rate spread. Refinancing would thus help mitigate the incremental cost of step-up. We have a buy rating on MWIDE with a target price of 590. Okay, so before we proceed with the index, let me read some of your comments. So galing po kay Sebastian Arcamo. Present po, early bird lang. Welcome po sa ating stock market today. Raquel Robrigado, parang ngayon lang ako naging familiar kay LTG. Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you din. Robbie Castillo, sir, can I ask why preferred share is high price? Hindi ko maintindihan ang iyong question. Sinong preferred share ang tinutukoy po natin? And why are you saying it is high price? Okay, paki-clear lang po. Hindi ko po magets ang inyong tanong. Sinong preferred share po ito? Sinong stock? At bakit nyo sinasabing high price siya? Okay, salamat po. So let's now take a look at the index. The PSEI ay umakyat 6,833.53. Nasa 124.19 points up or 1.85%. Kahapon po ay bumaba ng 47.35 and 33.55 noong January 10. Ngayon po ay up. And let's put up our indicators. Bullish po yan. Yan, bullish po siya at umaakyat po yung RSI. Market activity, 115 companies advanced, 67 declined while 48 remained unchanged. All share index up 1.37%. Lahat ng sectoral indices ay up except for mining which slipped 1.13%. Ang gainers was led by properties at 3.65, followed by the financials at 2.18. Most active stocks is BDO, SM, ICT, JFC, URC, EMI, then followed by ASEN and TEL. But we will be reviewing yung mga good news naman, no? Tingnan po natin si Now Corporation. Si Now ay nag-gain po ng 11.59%. Si MWIDE gained 5.39%. Metro Pacific ay wala po dito sa top 10 but subaybayan po natin. Then Wilcon is one of the most active, gaining 4.23%. And then SMPH also gained 4.55 and BDO is the most active stock at 3.73% up. So let's start now with Now Corporation. Tignan po natin si Now Corporation. Now Corporation ay red engulfing po siya, pero ngayon ay green engulfing. Mukhang hindi kaya nilalaro ito. I don't know. Really don't know. So, dito po may volume tapos dito rin po may volume. So, mukhang recovery lang po. Pero bullish po ang stock, ha? Bullish po siya. May news kaya dito? Tingnan natin kung may news. Wala naman. Public ownership report. Let's take a look at the public ownership report kung anong nakikita natin dito. 4 hours ago po ito Wala rin. Wala rin ako nakikita dito sa public ownership. I don't know what's happening here. Public ownership. List of 100 stockholders. Okay, so it's bullish. At nakikita ko po yung Now Corporation continues to move up. And support and resistance, let's draw a parallel channel. Yan, with a slight overshoot. Based dito sa parallel channel, ang ating resistance nasa 2.67, samantalang ang support nasa 2.09, moving upwards po si Dow Corporation. And then si MWIDE naman, na nag-issue ng preferred shares to redeem their maturing preferreds. Also, yun, umakyat po siya with volume, ha? At na-exceed na po niya yung short and medium term kahapon. And I think, yes, this is a breakout here. So, more than 2 weeks po yung surge niya kahapon at percentage is 9.51. So, it ended at 9.51%. Actually, yung akyat niya, 3.34. Okay, so this is the highs in 2 weeks and therefore this is a breakout and there's volume. Today po is a continuation. Yung dati pong support, resistance na naging support, ay ito po, 3.31, ano? Pero ito po ay continuation with volume pa rin po, no? So, bullish po ang market with MWIDE and it's about to pierce the next resistance level na aking nakikita dito sa area to. Resistance level na rin pala ito. So, umaabot po sa EMA 100 yung resistance, nasa 361 po So, resistance level na po ito. Okay, support and resistance, di po yan exact points, areas po siya. So yan po ang support and resistance, and it is bullish since yung RSI po niya nasa 65.35. Metro Pacific naman, tingnan natin si MPI. MPI ay, naku, nag-red candlestick siya, no? Pero, walang volume eh. So, engulfing green candlestick. Actually, let's read the analysis of BDO-SEC, no? Yung technical analysis niya. Ito po siya. Technically speaking, on Metro Pacific to, no? He's referring to Metro Pacific here. Check out Metro Pacific. Last January 10, MPI rose as much as 7.78%, breaking out of its downtrend channel. See blue parallel lines, ito po siya. Lakihan natin ng konti. And i-drawing po natin yung parallel. Ay, hindi ko ma-drawing. Hindi ko ma-exacto yung drawing niya eh. Pero ganun po yung drawing niya eh. Blue parallel channel and siguro dikit-dikit. Ganyan. Okay, hindi ko ma-drawing yung din-drawing niya. Ibang perspective. Okay. So, ito po yung kanyang parallel channel na nakikita niyo po dito, which was accompanied by a spike in volume, pero I don't see any volume. There was a follow-through rally in yesterday's morning session, but the price eventually corrected because its RSI was already overbought. Overbought nga ba? Yes, it's overbought. Nag-overbought po siya dito ng January 10 and it's at 70.80. So overbought na po siya. And then, while MPI tries to find its new base, we will be on the lookout for a potential entry. So wala pa siyang potential entries na sabi niya. Eventually, as we anticipate that MPI will continue with its reversal rally, we hope to see MPI to settle near 373, it's 61.80%. Nag-Fibonacci retracement siya. Stay tuned. So wala pa siyang conclusion dito, no? KM Metro Pacific. So nagkaroon lang po siya ng parallel channel, pero umabot siya ng siguro 1 taon ito. Tingin ko ha, 1 taon siya parang nag-1 taon siya dito. Yung parallel channel niya from here to here. Let's draw it para ma-check natin kung yun nga yung tinutukoy niyang parallel channel. O pwede, di ba? Pwede yan yung tinutukoy niyang parallel lines or parallel channel. Pero hindi siya exact, hindi ko ma-exacto ko. Yan. Yan po yung parallel channel na tinutukoy ni BDO-SEC. Yan, pero flat po sa akin, halos flat po sa akin dito eh. Kasi meron ditong RSI. But tama siya dito, overbought level na po noong January 10. So yan po yung tinutukoy niya na parallel channel. Okay, so yan po yung MPI and we borrowed BDO-SEC's analysis. Ano po? So wala pa siyang buy or sell recommendation dito. And then let's take a look at Wilcon. One of the gainers today, si Wilcon ay, meron po siyang breakout kahapon. Hindi po ito breakout nga ba? 3.02 lang. Pero ngayon is a breakout ha. Kasi na-breach po niya yung resistance level eh. Ito po yung dating resistance niya eh. Yan po eh. So, may mga points po na nagre-resist tulad po nito na nandito. Yan. Ito yung support na naging resistance and another one here, no? So ngayon po ay nag-breakout po siya and there is volume. So the surge today was at 4.23% and this is the highest in more than 2 weeks. Actually, highest in a month too eh. So breakout po siya. In a few days, we will see some upward action on Wilcon. Okay, next, SMPH. Si SMPH, ang nangyari today, kasi malaking volume, may volume po siya today. Si SMPH. Okay, green engulfing po siya, pero wala po siyang volume. No volume po si SMPH. So, pero nandito siya, one of the highest volume. But it's just average or below average po yung kanyang volume. Pero, umaakyat po si SMPH. So, yung short term, on the short term, umaakyat po siya. And it's about to reach, actually this is already resistance level. But I would like to draw siguro a parallel channel from here to here. Yan po yung nakikita kong parallel channel niya. From October 6 to January 12, So, based dito sa parallel channel, yung support niya nasa 35.45, resistance at 38.41, RSI is bullish at 62. So, fundamentally, tingnan na natin si SM Prime Holdings. SM Prime has a buy rating with a target price of 40. So, malapit na po niya ma-achieve ang target price niya, 10% na lang po. Okay, next, we have BDO. Si BDO, okay, nasa 114 po si BDO. And, meron siyang, actually, it's not a breakout, but there is volume, It's not the highest in 2 weeks, And, hindi niya na-pierce yung resistance level. Ito po yung resistance level ni BDO, Nandito po sa area to, Yan po, resistance level na po siya, pero hindi niya na-pierce, but there is volume. Kasi when there is volume, there is a possibility that in the coming days, magkaroon po ng activity ang stock paakyat. Okay, may net foreign buying po si BDO ngayon at 114, but it's at resistance level at tingnan natin yung 1-week chart so we can see the higher resistance. Okay, the next higher ay nandito po sa 125 po. 125.40 yung next higher resistance niya. At hindi po natin makita dahil medyo mataas na po for the chart, Balik po natin sa 1 day. So, yan po si BDO. At yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-12 ng Disyembre. Ito po si Benji Chodoro. Nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli, stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.